The last module in Raspberry AI Suite is the Mix module. Traditional, more generic AI tools offer the ability to blend images, but Raspberry goes a step further with advanced controls for further customization. In this video, we'll start by exploring how to use Mix to update your previous best-selling styles with new fabrications. What sets Raspberry apart from generic AI tools is the ability to hold the silhouette of one image while blending it with another. You'll begin by uploading the two images. The first should be the product you want to apply a new material to. The Enforce Silhouette slider determines how closely the shape of the clothing output will resemble the input. We'll leave it at the default. The second will be the fabric swatch you're applying. This works best with textured fabric when you don't need the pattern preserved. Once the images are uploaded, you'll use the Mix slider to control the weight of each input. This determines how strongly each material will be represented in the outputs. With these tools, rather than simply blending images, you can retain the structure of the design while introducing the colors and patterns of the material. This is a great, quick way to reimagine bestsellers from previous seasons. Next, you can apply unconventional materials, where you can push the boundaries of your creativity while staying in control of the silhouette. Your first image will be the product, the second will be the material you wish to blend. We'll leave the sliders at their default, which leans more towards the new material, which is a blue plastic box. The results showcase a totally new look for this purse. With this tool, you can transform traditional garments by applying novel, non fabric materials like glass, metal, or even organic textures, all while ensuring the results are functional. Next, you can apply aesthetic, which allows you to blend fabrications together on one silhouette. We'll use the example files so you can practice with them yourself. Let's start by choosing our silhouette, this pair of lace up shoes. You can see they have a great crocodile texture and a woodblock heel. The top slider controls how much of the original materials will remain in the outputs. For the second file, we'll use this pink party dress, which has a shiny pink satin material. This slider's default is 100%, but you can refine to your liking to adjust the intensity of the second material. The outputs blend the base material of the shoes with the new material for a striking pair of hot pink crocodile heels, a perfect blend of the two textures. Last, but certainly not least, is Inspiration Mix. Unlike the other tools, the Inspiration Mix feature blends two inspiration images together into one brand new silhouette. You'll start by uploading images. In this example, we're combining a blazer and a linen separates look. Each garment has its own dedicated sliders. The Mix slider determines how much influence each inspiration image has on the silhouette, while the Concept Strength slider fine tunes how faithfully the key design concepts are reflected in the output. These controls give you precision over your designs and allow you to explore different iterations using the same two images. The results are one of a kind new silhouettes that combine the inspirations, a perfect starting point for further refinement or more exploration. Give the Mix module a try and explore new ways to remix previous styles and bring your vision to life.